Everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to introduce the QGIS, that is Quantum Geographical Information, an open source software to do all your GIS related work and mapping your way to success. So what is a QGIS? Why use QGIS? Getting started with QGIS. A QGIS features and its capability, the real world applications of QGIS. So now let's get started. So what is QGIS? A QGIS, the Quantum GIS, that is Geographical Information System, is a free and open source geographical information software that allows the users to create, edit, visualize, analyze and publish a geospatial information on various platforms. It is used by a wide range of professionals including geographers, cartographer, environmentalist, scientist, an urban planner and many others. A QGIS provides a user-friendly interface and powerful set of tools for working with spatial data, making it an essential tool in field of GIS. So why use QGIS? So QGIS is the powerful and versatile GIS software that offers several advantages over other GIS software. One of the biggest advantages is its open source nature, which means it is free to use and can be customized to meet the specific needs. Additionally, a QGIS has a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of data formats, making it easy to work with different types of data. The other advantages of QGIS is its advanced analysis capability. With QGIS, you can perform a complex spatial analysis such as a terrain analysis, a proximity analysis, and network analysis. This makes it an ideal tool for a variety of applications including urban planning, environmental management, and agriculture. So getting started with QGIS. To get started with QGIS, the first step is to download and install the software on your computer. You can do this by visiting the official QGIS website and selecting the appropriate downloads for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. After installing QGIS, you will need to set up the software to work with your data. This involves your data source, configuration, software settings that suits your needs. To add a data sources, and simply click on the Add Layer button in the toolbar and select the type of data you want to add. From there, you can browse to a location of your data and select for its use in the QGIS. And video will be given in the description how to download and install a QGIS. A follow-up video will be made. So how to download and install QGIS. So QGIS features and its capabilities. QGIS is a powerful open source geographic information system that has a wide range of features and capabilities. One of the key strengths of QGIS is its ability to work with different data types including raster, vector, and the GPS data. This allows the user to easily import and manage various types of geospatial data in their projects. Additionally, a QGIS provides a variety of analysis tools that enables the user to perform a complex spatial analysis such as proximity, terrain, and network analysis. Finally, QGIS offers a comprehensive set of map-making tools that allows the users to create a high-quality maps with custom layouts and styles. So the real-world applications of QGIS. So QGIS is a powerful tool that has been used in a variety of industries including the urban planning, environmental management, and agriculture. In urban planning, the QGIS has been used to create detailed maps of the cities, towns, allowing the planners to make an informed decision about the land use and development. In the field of environmental management, the QGIS has been used to analyze the data on air and water quality, as well as to track the changes in land cover. Finally, in agriculture, the QGIS has been used to create detailed maps of the crop yields and soil types, helping the farmers to make a more informed decision about the planting and harvesting. One of the key strengths of QGIS is its ability to work with a wide range of data types, including vector and raster datasets. This flexibility allows the users to create a highly detailed maps and perform a complex analysis task with ease. Furthermore, the QGIS is an open source software, which means that it's constantly being updated and improved by the community of developers around the world. Conclusion. So we have learned the QGIS is a powerful and versatile GIS software that can be used for a wide range of applications. It is an open source nature and user-friendly interface and extensive feature makes it an excellent choice for the professional and enthusiastic. Whether you're working in an urban planning or environmental management, agriculture, or any other fields that requires spatial data analysis and visualization, the QGIS can help you achieve your goal more efficiently and effectively. So why not give it a try and see for yourself what a QGIS can do. So basics of QGIS videos will be made in the follow-up videos. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.